Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be decluttering my boys' toys. I have 2 toddlers and our downstairs area is where their playroom and our family room is, and it is a disaster. They have so many toys, they just get them all out and just make a mess instead of actually finding what they want and playing. So we're going to be getting rid of some toys and organizing their favorite toys. The first thing I'm going to do is clean up the mess so that we can start decluttering with a clean canvas. And once I get everything cleaned up, I'm going to bring out all the cubes and all their containers so we can see everything at once.
As a young girl, it feels we're mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me. Take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me.
I usually declutter their toys probably twice a year, if not more. Sometimes I will do it more often if it's just getting overwhelming, but they always rack up on new toys for their birthdays and for Christmas. I do get rid of old toys to make room for the new toys because they love playing with the newer toys. They do have certain older toys that are just their go-to toys, and obviously I keep those. Generally, the boys are not here to help me declutter their toys. They're usually in a different room playing with their dad or doing something outside with him while I declutter. And the reason for that is, as you will notice, Leo keeps going back to the Goodwill bin and getting things back out. Not that he was upset to give away his toys, because I do explain to them that we are donating them, we're giving them to children who don't have a lot of toys like they do, and they understand that and they like that. This is my way of teaching the boys, if you have too many things that you don't need, you can get rid of them and give them to someone who does need them.
Kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days. Daydreamer, kidnap me, have me running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. Have me running around, dressed in a gown, barefoot. Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, when I give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next curious. When did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is real.
All right, their toys are all cleaned out and organized for now. I know that they will be getting them out, but I feel like this will help them to stay organized and find what they want easily. I did rearrange their toy room and I put their kitchen out front. They do love to play with their kitchen, and all their kitchen accessories are in this red container that I got at the Dollar Tree. This toy box was mine when I was a little girl, and I filled it with their larger superhero figures, and I ended up having enough room to put all their balls in there as well. This talking Chewy Leo got for Christmas, and I just love him, so I just set him on top because I think he's adorable. Moving on into their toy room, I moved the shelf from the back wall over to the side, and we did lay it down long ways so that Taylor could reach all the cubbies, and I put all their houses and their barn on this shelf along with some cubes with the smaller toys in them. Down here is all the pieces for their village they have. Up top in this cube is all their PJ Masks, toys, and then down here are all their little people and vehicles to go with their village. And then on over, as Taylor pulls that out, that has their doctor kit and their laptops in it. We leave their racetrack put together all the time because they love playing with that, so I just set that in the center. And this back wall back here is one of my favorite spots in the toy closet. Okay, I hung this shelf up and it was perfect to hang their Nerf guns. They got those for Christmas. In this pouch is their Nerf bullets, all of them in there, just to keep them from getting spread out all over the floor. Then they have their nunchucks and their play chainsaw. Down here are their guns and swords. They are little boys, so they have lots of weapons. Down here are all of their blocks. They have plastic blocks, magnetic blocks, wooden blocks, and then all their cowboys and horses are in this pouch. They have larger plastic blocks in this container to the side, and then I just set up all their lightsabers. They get a lightsaber every time we go to Disney, but they are about to collect all the colors. This Leo Freightline's big truck was made by my Uncle Gary. He carved it out of wood. He handmade it, and it just turned out awesome. I love it. I don't let Leo play with it just because I don't want him to mess it up. It's just a keepsake, I feel like. So I set that up there as a little bit of decor in this room. I really like how it turned out. They can walk through easily and sit and play, and since we fixed that, they have sat in there for hours and played. Outside their toy closet, we have this set up with their small little TV. So when we're in the den and wanting to watch a movie, we can put something on their little TV if they want to watch something different. There's Leo saying hi to you guys. These cubbies have all their books and their large blocks, and then this is their toys that they play with a lot. All their little figures and just the little knickknacks that they love to carry around and play with. Like I said, I ended up moving all of those balls to the toy box inside the toy closet. I hope this video gave you guys lots of cleaning, decluttering, and organizing motivation. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. Just hit that red subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys next time. Have an awesome day. Bye, guys.
The morning sun is rising.